Today, we are at the brand new UPMC Health Plan Erie Neighborhood Center.
We're beyond excited to officially open the UPMC Health Plan Neighborhood Center in Erie. Doesn't matter if you have the plan or not, we're gonna do what's right by you here. And I could truly say that because the team behind me really cares about people first.
We know healthcare is more than just someone being seen in a doctor's office or at a hospital. It depends on the community that you live in. And this is really just a full extension of that core mission that we have at UPMC by providing additional resources outside of a traditional healthcare setting and in a community to really build those partnerships and really help people navigate through that. So getting back to our community mission and what we can do to support those communities, this is exactly what we want to be able to do to bring those supports in place.
There's so many needs to be met in our community, so it's up to us to have that place where we can foster community partnerships and ultimately work together to help the people that most desperately need it. I know today doesn't look like 6 months from now, a year from now, or even 2 years from now, but ultimately it's up to us to evolve and grow with our community members, with our partners, to make this the best one-stop shop resource hub that Erie has to offer.
We are having a career event called Future in Focus, and this is a career event that's meant to be holistic. We are here to support candidates in every stage of the journey. So we have our makeup artist here doing makeovers, and after you get a makeover, you can get a headshot taken from our headshot photographer. We have mock interview stations, resume assistants, application assistants. Dress for Success is here, as well as an organization called SHIM. They have professional clothing. And then we have a resource fair with all of our community partners here so that candidates can get supported throughout their career journey in multiple ways.
Job searching is very discouraging for a lot of people, the number of applications you can put in without hearing anything back. So we're hoping this gives people an opportunity to be face-to-face and actually speak to someone about their goals and get feedback and suggestions on how they can strengthen their applications and their resumes, and kind of a one-stop shop for all of that. So I'm hoping that encouragement is the number one thing people take from this, but also really practical help in that search.
We hope people walk away with a better understanding of UPMC. Many different candidates we have talked to want a place where they can grow. They want a career, they want to get hired, and they want to stay with an employer a long time. And UPMC is a fantastic place to do that because we have so much opportunity for growth. So we really hope candidates find a home with us because we know they'll stay with UPMC for a long time.
So my first ever contact with CPR was when I was a lifeguard, but my most recent training was with Dr. Owusu, where her and her team of lifesavers came to my team and taught us how to properly do CPR and put an AED on everybody.
So in 2023, I started an initiative with fellow UPMC and Pitt providers to teach Pitt student athletes CPR after Damar Hamlin went into cardiac arrest. So I was inspired by Damar Hamlin and worked with Celeste Welch of the athletics team at Pitt to provide CPR and AED training to all the athletes.
So on Christmas Day in December of 2023, my dad, after working a 12-hour-long ER night shift, he was making a weird sound in the basement, and my mom went down just to check on him, and he was completely unconscious and just doing agonal breaths. After I called 911, I pulled him from the bed onto the ground and started administering CPR and rescue breaths while scooping out aspirations until emergency medical services arrived, where then I placed on an AED and let them do their work before they took him to the hospital. So I am partnering with UPMC Children's Hospital and Project Adam, where we are going to raise money, and this money is going to go towards CPR educational equipment, material, and classes for local sports communities. So more people that are involved in sports can learn how to do CPR, and hopefully, if they're ever in a situation, they're properly prepared to take action and step up.
This is more than we could ask for. The fact that she's taking this on and building a legacy upon it is really amazing, and I'm so proud of her.
Today, the Savannah Bananas of Texas Tailgaters are blessed to be here at UPMC Children's Hospital with some smiles and some faces.
We were so excited to welcome the Savannah Bananas and the Texas Tailgaters to Children's Hospital of Pittsburgh today. They had us smiling from ear to ear. They spent time in our Dream Big studio. After we wrapped up our broadcast this morning, the Savannah Bananas and Texas Tailgaters then visited our units here in the hospital and got to spend some quality time with more patients and families and continue to spread those smiles that they brought and that energy that they brought to Children's Hospital today.
It's everything to us. The game is just something fun, but being able to impact the community or put a smile on somebody's face, we always say you never know what somebody's going through in their 24 hours, so if we can be the best version of ourselves, hopefully that uplifts them and that uplifts their support system and their families and really just puts a good mark on the day, and we want to create fans' first memories.
It's so important to put smiles on our patients' and families' faces here in the hospital because they are dealing with some really challenging times, and it's an opportunity to sort of escape the hospital. It's just beneficial to meet new people and to take a break with these players. They were so kind and generous, and we really appreciate them taking that time out of their busy schedule to spend that one-on-one quality time with patients and families.